Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to download and install the VivaLive TV app to your Hisense Smart TV. If you find this helpful, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So what you have to do on your Hisense Smart TV to install this particular application is very easy. Just try first of all and locate your app store, which is easy to do. All Hisense Smart TVs have the same app store. So go over to your app store and launch it. It's the Vida app store and it should look exactly like mine here. So to cover here, just don't waste time. Come to the search button and type in the name application, which is Viva. Just type in Viva or Viva if you're from America. So Viva, and we go ahead and search. And here's it, Viva Live TV. Click on it and launch. And then it's going to bring you to the installation page, which is very easy to do. All you have to do here is just click on install, and the application is installed in less than a second. So once that is done, now you can choose where to place the application, and then you can go ahead and launch it on your Hisense Smart TV and start experiencing what the application is for.